Odofo mema kwaba edeba Adom TV. Dwumadi a yato na edini Nkuranhyensem so. Me ameti dwamu a me dwumadi ho chia me. Edi amjeso eye ni tekotegu. Na ema ho sepe se wape mre ya oni beto na montio we ekosi mra me dwumadi we. Onyame enhyira. Ene me koso a ebisa se what is wrong with me? What is wrong with my marriage? What is wrong with my life? A dear panty and a media mini. Ada Indiana mayoye, and Adiana manyo. Utredi ampombo nipan, or the ascend you and me and I say, or Bob sends us wampa. And a media matita pansami. Ya kwame nkobi. Yes, Ram Dimin Sribi. What is actually wrong with me? Can I also live a life of abundance? Can I also find happiness and prosperity? Me so many beti me age na me so my yie na ma hwe nkrofo na manfo adi machi abose. Can I make a difference in this world? My brabo beti me aya hyenso ya eda sonko e wiase. Can I also elevate others? Beti me bubura na manfo agira me so me konso e de bubura. Yes, you can choose to be a leader in life or you can choose to be a follower. Abrabo ayebu no obetimi ahye ho nkran se me meye kandini ana me de meye chitani ni nyina to jiwara obetimi ahye ho nkran abaye odini na obetimi abu ho abam na what transfer ko atwedi asu. Yes, you can make a positive difference in the world or you can make a negative difference in the world. Obetimi ma abrabo esusanso e de sidi abrewo o man na busua Sanso na beti ma wa brabo nso so e de awerho abeto so ene o man brabo beti ma awia nioma ene brabo beti mi de nioma kan nioma ho. You see, your life decisions can be a robber or your life decisions can add to others and to yourself. You can do anything. Catch him say, I can do anything. Everything is possible to me. There's nothing wrong with me. Adwene amanfo a eye wo bi na bi da me tim ensa ekura woni aye na bi kura me eniwa aso ano ena empo enioma woni aye di mu no ekura bi no me so bi kura me na adenti na me de mi nkom anim wa brabo nyina so eye enioma egu wa adwene proso. You cannot go beyond the content of your mind. The level of your knowledge will pay you. Ni awahia adore musuko egu wadwen proso na etua waka usubane ene woni ye emfaso na wunya obi nchen obi abrabo mu obetwen wo a na ochen onyansa akwa so obetwen wo a na ochen osuban paso obetwen wo a na ochen se ofati mu papa na okenya atinka ede. Apart from that, nobody is better than you. You are also made to make everything possible. You are ubetime to find sabo akode. Na betime kira as se be odwamba wusu media mini o ya bro mi media mebre o media. You can decide what you want to do with your life. You can decide to be a legend or you can decide to live a life of a mediocre. You can do this or you can do that. Or you won't do that. Ubetime aye bibi. Ubetimi mensuro memmohu men trase emmohu abonfia enka se esansa mi nsua de nkode enchiri nti esansa mi mbo PhD nti esansa mi nko school pombi nti. The amount of education you acquire is dependent on the theories of others you've studied. So we mako school adu animo a you be adwene na wakokan buku egu adwene proso. But you can also stimulate your mind to learn new lessons of wisdom to make a difference in your life. Life is about making differences. Seme mama brabo adasronko na asumbo. Life is about adding value to your life and to others. Life is about the problems you are ready to solve. Life does not reward you for the problems you create, but you are rewarded according to the level of problems you solve. And your man would you know ye no ene wo ne. Sen sem kese to wa akatua kese na eba. Enwane no emosobo na gina no na fa nigye na ahosepe epe anu aduru. Every one of us is an embodiment of success. Otwedi ampon boy no oboye nyina ma yedie nti unye yi ha nyame se unye yi ha no akade odigu wo mu no se obeye yi no wadimu no asombo. You were made with a life of honor, glory and power. As a mobile phone na ekrekre yi ha onipa oye phone od ni dia to so na mark ofa bakwa se fe na iPhone Apple bi aka ho na wa akire onim se ni ose phone be na be nto ordinary sign ato akire Apple me na me ye Nokia ye bi some obi ad ni dia to phone so ofa car ya sa na tie ebi ye Hyundai ebi ye Toyota ebi ye say cars ahodo ebi kura say V8 megidi say ni amese car we betimi ayo no wotem be ye na nipa nsa no wa ye kura no wo gidi say be ye adwuma kampese twedi ampo Nyankopon ye owo wo nipa nsa no wa ye kura no e wo gidi say ebe de be na ye nso nti na wo gidi akoto car auto phone no na onyame a obo wiase enima ha say we no wo ye wo ma ye die ona nye yie sinto no enyina so eye wo a wo kura phone no obu akoto phone na phone nyoma ye de ye ohunu so osusu Onyankopon abo onim tibia wote ne nea wo mu a betimi ayusu ene wo ne ene dey mame nkyira onyoma wo mu wate onyame abo honam eye wo akoma wo bibia ene wabo sunsum your spirit ukwa sorry ukotena mosque eye ene wama okra ya efe ne soul wo soul no na dimu e wo ne ma mensa meboyi mu na ya na ya to soul na jeje mu soul no ere wadwene the function of your brain. Your soul content are the thoughts you've acquired so far, your experiences, the expectations you have about yourself and life, your life perspectives. Efoni a watwa fa brabo ho na ye wadwene proso na Kenya adwene abadwene. Enioma wo gidie se wo betimi ayo na da wadwene proso. Na be Kenya tenka, your thoughts will stimulate emotions or the things that drive you to do or not to do things. And your emotions will stimulate your beliefs. And your beliefs will determine your attitude. I bet you phone, I bet you go out your person. Semeya meduha na enoso ekenya wone ye. Enti abrabo ayebu eno. Me se wo betima your mama. Baby a wugine bia no nsu. Empaba. Sacrifices must be made in the pursuance of a greater life. Enebo ho ese utwegu kasa bo ese utwegu enebo ho ese utwegu sacrifice enebo ho ese usinkete na esibrane obremu na service na timi ye osumbo ese wosom sacrifice yesa utu husiwo eye nyoma sabi obi buno sabi nkwase adwuma na wo yo and then you deny yourself of the greater good today for the greater good tomorrow. Mama bi am ha ase many year juma na me oton ade wo Tiptoe Gardens one na me huru plate mu restaurant na me huru plate mu of Tiptoe Gardens so na o say ahyase no nya ese na wiye no anti kofie ahyase no hihye wabrabo na wate waba na nkwamba sa futu no de maame no ekura me nsa no besine ahyase no nya tare pa bi na mepe se bi sem fifiri esinkete ebubra edi mfaso de bebre me ndankwama ahyase no nya ahomaso ni phone akese ahyase no sacrifice ahyase ni bo amekire kom ahyase be bo ha betumi ho asiwa ye niam bi ntimi ntwa meka so meye mabra bo nsunso so etoje bi akasa wo so mabra bo nsunso so etoje wo niam abetie kete se obeye onyame ma otumi nya hode ne nyansa na mo abaso na waya beduro we na nsakabo bia ohia no o ma wakade na di sakra mu ana meja wo mo ma me na empo sound of ase me da osmosis and a bright camera Albert ena me producer Randolph Prisla ena webe kampedu onyame nhyira mu nyina wo so a wo hwe me onyame nhyira wo ana mekra wo unu nyame entina